If you're a car enthusiast and have a strong passion in keeping your car updated with tech, these are some ingenious car gadgets you can buy to beautify the driving experience.
Welcome to All That Technology.
Small cam and big wonders. The Omni 360° is a dash cam that features two phase stepping motors for smooth movement across 340 degrees and a 140-degree field of view camera with minimized distortion, resulting in the industry's first real 360 degrees, no blind spot, full view dash cam. It also has powerful parking surveillance that notifies you via an app of any suspicious events or collisions, an exclusive collision detection algorithm, time lapses, f1.5 large aperture, 60 FPS videos, and advanced driver assistance systems or ADAS. Additionally, it has built-in GPS, voice control, and eMMC storage that can be accessed via Wi-Fi. It is equipped with a 4G hardware kit that allows you to operate the camera remotely and check in on your car while you're away. Additionally, you can view videos and pictures stored in the cloud by connecting to the Omni's Wi-Fi, even without the 4G hardware kit. Ladies and gentlemen, you can now drive with zero distraction. Hudway is a portable heads-up display for cars that connects to a smartphone via Bluetooth or Wi-Fi and projects information such as phone calls, messages, GPS navigation, and app notifications onto the windshield, allowing the driver to stay connected without taking their eyes off the road. It also includes an advanced driver assistance system or an ADAS that helps people with hearing loss. The device also has a speedometer, RPM, engine temperature, and voltage, as well as the ability to display various other widgets. It also allows the driver to turn off notifications that are not important, reducing the amount of unnecessary information displayed. Now you can pump it up with the Terra Pump. The 4th generation Terra Pump is a high-quality and durable fuel transfer pump that is designed with ingenuity and ease of use of mind. It is a battery-powered fuel transfer pump that is useful in various settings such as garages, shops, yards, farms, docks, snow, or campsite. It even features a rain-resistant power cover, a simple and easy-to-use on and off button, and it is powered by 4 AA batteries, eliminating the need for cords and outlets. The pump also has a flexible intake hose that can reach the bottom of cans and fit various size containers, a 3.5-foot discharge hose with a fast 2.4 gallon per minute flow rate, and a smart sensor that automatically stops the pump to prevent overflow and spillage. So it is even convenient, and it comes in handy. The Worx multifunction portable car jump starter is a portable device that can jumpstart a car battery in case of any emergency. It can jumpstart gasoline engines up to 4 liters and diesel engines up to 3 liters, as well as 12-volt batteries in motorcycles, ATVs, lawn and garden tractors, along with many marine batteries. So it also has a USB charging capabilities for tablets, for your phones and other small electronics. It has a dual function LED lighting functions, which functions as both as a work light and a flashing strobe light for emergency situations. The Worx Jumpstart, it has safety features such as reverse polarity and spark-proof protection. It has an IP54 sealed water resistance and flexible mounting solutions for underhood or on-car placement of the battery jump starter, and an orange pull-out hanger for further mounting flexibility. It also works as a flashlight in low-light situations, and it can be stored in a glove compartment, your toolbox, and other convenient places in your car for your easy accessibility whenever you need it. We're all tired of the bad odor or BO that is part of our cars, so there's one perfect solution for that. The Ceeniu car air fresheners, it uses ultrasonic atomization technology to spray perfume directly into the air. This allows the scent to fill your car evenly and lasts for multiple, and according to the company, for about 2 months when it's used in its smart mode. The device has an adjustable light and strong modes and can be turned on and off automatically when the car is in motion. The fragrances are sourced from a high-quality supplier from all the way from France, and the device is extremely sleek with a high-end design and an aluminum alloy body with a polished mirror surface interface. It also contains an AI smart chip and can be used outside of the car with a portable battery. The JoyTutus upgraded Car Cup Holder expander is a perfect solution for the problem of large mugs or tumblers that are not fitting in your car cup holders. So whenever you want to get some coffee from Starbucks or your favorite coffee restaurant, now you can get whatever size cup and place it in your car. So now it features an adjustable rubber base that can fit snugly into any cup holder, so it provides you with additional space for larger drinks. It is also compatible with popular brands like Nalgene, Hydro Flask, and many more, and you can fit drink cups, coffee mugs with a diameter of up to 3.8 inches, which is sort of an industry standard. So basically, any sort of cup or mug that you can place in a cup holder, you can now. Additionally, it also has a slitted side which allows for thermoses or tumblers with handles to fit securely and an anti-slip coaster, which makes it easy to clean up spills and adds a little grip to the bottom of the cup holder, so it never spills. Now, in the winters, one of the difficult things to start off your morning is to scrape the ice off your car. Now, you can scrape that ice off extremely smartly. The Astro Ai Ice Scraper and Snow Brush is a versatile push and scrape tool for clearing snow and ice from your car. The brush head is made of fine, polished bristles that are split into several strands to avoid scratching the paint. The high-strength ABS shaft, PC bristles, and EVA cotton handle are engineered to withstand heavy snowstorms and temperatures as low as -40 degrees, making it a durable and long-lasting tool. Now, the brush can quickly move loose snow from windshields. It can remove snow from roofs, doors, hoods, and side mirrors, while the integrated knuckles on the scraper can break up the ice for easy removal. This tool can be separated for easier handling and can be stored easily both while connected and while it's detached. The dimensions of the tool are, it's 27 inches long, it's 7 inches for the brush and head, and 4.5 inches for the ice scraper, and it comes with a 1-year warranty. Get rid of all your flat tires. Now, the Slimes Pro Series Flat Tire Repair Kit is a convenient solution for emergency flat tires. It allows you to repair your flat tire with a push of a button, and it takes only 6 minutes. It eliminates the need for a spare tire or waiting for roadside assistance like from AAA. It features inflate-right technology which automatically shuts off at the desired pressure, so allowing you to wait safely while the kit quickly repairs your tire. Slime is basically a bright green protective liquid that works by coating the inside of the tire as it spins. So when your puncture occurs, the escaping air forces the slime into the tread area around the puncture. It creates a long-lasting plug that seals up the hole. Now, this prevents and repairs flat tires for up to 2 years, but in off-highway vehicles. For highway vehicles, it's an effective emergency flat tire solution. Now, keep your key protected with the key finder. Now, the key finder is a waterproof protected cover for car keys that protects your electronic car keys from water, dirt, and shocks. It has an innovative design that includes an elastic window, allowing you to operate the key while it is inside the case. The key finder also comes with a high-quality neoprene strap and belt, so you can always carry it with you. It has been tested and received DECRA's protection class for IP68 for its waterproofness up to 10 meters. It makes it suitable as a waterproof protective bag as well, so you can take your car keys for surfing, kite surfing, and diving as well. It is made of durable, lightweight materials in Germany and is UV, saltwater, and oil resistant. It is extremely suitable for almost all models of all car brands available, and the temperature range from -10 degrees to 45 degrees Celsius. Now, the Wontolf wide-angle rear view mirror is a larger and wider mirror that are available in the market. So it measures about 12 by 3.6 inches and provides a clear view of the back seats, the entire back window, and the 2 sides of the surrounding car, basically eliminating all blind spots for safer driving. Now, the mirror is made with tough ABS glass fiber processing and an HD lens that helps reduce glare and distortion and allows a clear image that is available for the driver while he's on the road. So installation is easy with 2 adjustable buckles that can be stretched for upside or downside hooking and then adjusted for the perfect angle. It is universally compatible with almost 98% of cars, vehicles, SUVs, trucks, and boats. The Wontolf also offers 100% satisfied after-sales service for any issues or questions that you might have about the product. The LINCENT T25 is an FM transmitter that streams music from your phone or any other device to your car's radio by transmitting the signal to an empty frequency in your listening area. So it features an anti-static design and noise and wind suppression technology for clear sound quality, and it supports almost all the music formats that you may have. So this includes the WMA, MP3, WAVE, APE, and even the high quality FLAC. You have 2 USB ports. One is a 2.4 ampere and the other is a 1 amp for charging your multiple devices. And it also has a built-in safety feature like over voltage protection and short circuit protection. It also allows for hands-free calling and voice navigation through the Bluetooth and can display the car battery voltage. It has a wider range of frequencies from about 88.1 to 107.9 MHz and is compatible with most smartphones and devices with Bluetooth capabilities. It also has a blue ambient light for easy operation while driving, and especially at nighttime when it's difficult to find your car transmitter. Now, the Eufy Clean Home Vac H20 is a cordless and powerful vacuum cleaner that is designed specifically for use in cars. It features a 40 ampere watt strong suction that allows you to clean messes in just one go and can be fully recharged in your car in under 2 hours. It also includes car-specific attachments like a built-in retractable tool, an extension hose, and a brush head, which can be stored in the included storage bag. The vacuum is extremely lightweight at only 1.5 pounds, so making it easy to use, and it also has a built-in LED light that helps you easily find the dust and dirt and whatever you want to clean. So compared to its other models, it offers a 10-minute boost to runtime, a 0.34 pounds reduction in weight, and it can even be charged inside your car. The Marvo Tesla Solar Phone Mount is a phone mount that is designed specifically for Tesla cars that utilizes an external solar panel to charge the mount's battery, so it eliminates the need for cables and charging. The mount is compatible with various cars and comes with a base that is suitable for the Model 3 and Model Y and can be placed on the left or the right steering wheel. The solar panel has a power storage function and a magnetic structure that allows it to be replaced on both sides, so it ensures that solar power efficiency is not at all affected by the position of that mount. The conversion efficiency of the solar panel is about 99%, and the mount has a semi-automatic induction switch to prevent power waste, which is caused by usually mistaken touches. Additionally, the mount includes a Type-C charging port for emergency use and a secure design that holds the phone securely and prevents it from falling off while you're driving. The design of the mount is extremely high-tech and features a transparent glass sensor screen with a chip pattern and high-quality materials such as zinc alloy, aluminum, and high-temperature resistant. That's all for today. If you think that you can add to this list, let us know in the comment section below. See you next time.